Rachel! Roof, roof, roof. Roof, roof, roof. I'm watching you. I'm watching Rachel. There she is. There she is. That could be a nice leaf or a piece of dog fur. Good. Yeah, it's good. Hey, Rachel. Roof, roof. Roof, roof, roof. Hey, Francis, is he the best dog with kids you've ever seen in your life, Allison?
The best what?
Dog when it comes to children this side of Jeepers?
He doesn't act excited and he doesn't act scared. He's just like, whatever.
He just accepts them for what they are. Objects in the room that he doesn't want to have anything to do with.